Experiencing a missing phone number in FaceTime can be frustrating as it prevents you from making calls. This issue might occur due to account settings, software glitches, or network problems. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to resolve the issue and get your phone number back in FaceTime. Let's get started. Solution 1: delete and re-add numbers for FaceTime and iMessage. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Here, you can see this number says unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. If you even see there is no number at all, try to add one. But if you have the number, tap the number, tap Removes from Account. Now you need to re-add the number from here. Solution 2, check FaceTime settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Ensure that FaceTime is enabled. Check under You Can Be Reached by FaceTime to see if your phone number is listed. If it's missing, proceed to the next solution. Solution 3, sign out and sign back in. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Sign Out. Wait a few moments, then tap Use your Apple ID for FaceTime to sign back in. After that, check if your number appears now. Solution 4, update iOS and reset all settings. Running an outdated version of iOS may cause issues with FaceTime. Open Settings, tap on General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. If there is no update, go back, scroll down, tap Transfer and reset all settings. Tap Reset, tap Reset all settings. Resetting all settings can resolve connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your phone number missing in FaceTime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.